Well guys, we're back out here with the E90. We defogged the headlights before, and apparently when I put the cover back on, they decided not to, I guess, heal properly, so we gotta go ahead and redo that. But we're using this Meguiars two-step cleaning solution. Here we've got the cleaning solution here. It's basically Meguiars two-step headlight defogger. And then we've got a headlight coating right here that we're using after we put the cleaning solution on. I've got to go get the pads actually for this. Cool and dry headlight in the shade. Okay, mask around headlight area before use. Shake product well before using. So we're gonna shake it up and put it on and see if we can get this headlight fixed. They look 10 times better, but they could look better. So let's get into it. Well guys, we finally finished up the headlights. They are looking 10 times better. We're just waiting on this one to basically heal one more time, and then we're gonna spray it again with a sealant. But after that, then we're gonna be moving on to dent repair, which we're gonna try first on these little dents right here. I don't know if you can see them, one right here and then one up here, but we're gonna try to get those out. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get this out. This is gonna be a tough one. This one may just have to be like, I don't know yet. If y'all have any ideas on what to do with this, leave them down in the comments below. And this down here, I mean, that could be scuffed out. That might be able to be fixed. This light's a little loose, I don't wanna touch it yet, but yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and get into dent repair and show y'all what's up. So guys, I have this dent repair kit here from Amazon. It supposedly comes with everything you need. I've never fixed a dent before, so I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. But thankfully, there is instructions here. So, let's see here. What do we got here? So, oh, this is a hot glue gun one. Oh God. This is a hot glue gun. Okay. Jeez, this is a very heavy duty repair kit, guys. So we've got a hot glue gun, we've got a literal mallet with weights in it or something, I don't know, something like that. We've got our pull kit, we've got hot glue, and then, jeez. Well guys, this is a very big job. So let's see here, what do we got? So clean the dent with a clean damp cloth and mark it with a marker pen. Load the specialized glue onto the hot melt glue gun and plug it into the electric outlet. Warm up for about 3 to 5 minutes. So I guess you could do this 2 different ways here. I don't know. For bridge repair tools, there are gaskets of 6 different sizes for you to choose. Choose a suitable gasket and evenly apply the glue onto the gasket. Large dents require a large gasket. The larger the gasket, the greater the traction. Apply the glue shot by the hot melt glue gun onto the glue tab as soon as possible and stick it to the dent quickly. Once the glue is applied, stick the gasket into the dent position quickly and gently press it until the specialized glue is glued. Align the hole at the center of the bridge to the firmly stick gasket. Insert the nut into the gasket rod and tighten it firmly until the dent is removed by pulling. Once the dent is repaired, twist off the nut, remove the bridge gasket, and then spray the alcohol onto the residue glue on the body. Removes the residue glue on the opposite side with a spatula. Repair is completed. Very interesting. Okay. Well, guys, so I guess use hot glue for everything. Cool, guys. Well, guys, this looks like it's going to be another day job, like a tomorrow thing. I'm going to come back tomorrow and complete this because I do not have time right now. Well, guys, we're going to do this in the morning, so I will see you all in the morning.